Hey guys, I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know what just happened. So I was just driving to Celica, then all of a sudden I just saw flames coming outside the steering wheel, and it caught on fire. It was the turn signal switch for the headlights and whatnot. So that just caught on fire, so that's why it's all like dirty, you know, because we had to spray it down with the fire extinguisher. My high beams never worked, and that's what this switch controls, is like your high beams and stuff. So I think that's what made it happen, because my dad was in front of me. He said that he saw like my turn signals come on and off, and I wasn't pushing them. So what we did, we just removed the fuse, that way so I could at least drive it home or drive it somewhere. So that's what happened, caught on fire.